Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a class in the Google Classroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the create class button. And then just accept the privacy and security thing. And then you have to provide a class name. And then you have to write some sort of section, like for who are you creating this class for, and then just set the room if you want to, and then just type in the subject if it's a math class or a literary class, and then just click on the create button. And it usually takes a couple of seconds to create the class, but here you have it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.